I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skyrim co-op on PC. First, understand that Skyrim was designed as a single-player experience, so official multiplayer support does not exist. However, a dedicated community has developed a fantastic mod called Skyrim Together Reborn. This mod allows you and your friends to explore Tamriel together, tackling quests and dungeons as a team. We will walk through the simple steps to get this mod running smoothly on your computer. To begin, you will need to download the Skyrim Together Reborn mod. You can find this on popular modding websites. Once downloaded, install it using a mod manager like Mod Organizer 2 or Vortex, or follow the manual installation instructions provided with the mod. It is crucial that all players involved have the exact same version of Skyrim and the mod installed to avoid compatibility issues. This ensures a smooth connection. With the mod installed, one player will act as the host, running the server for the game. The host simply launches Skyrim through the Skyrim Together Reborn executable or shortcut. Once in the game, the host can invite friends. Other players will then connect to the host's game using their IP address, which can be found easily online. Make sure your firewall allows the connection for seamless multiplayer action. Now you are ready to dive into the vast world of Tamriel with your friends. The mod synchronizes quests, enemies, and even loot, creating a truly shared adventure. You can explore dungeons, complete epic storylines, and battle dragons together, making the experience fresh and exciting. The mod supports up to 8 players, offering plenty of room for your adventuring party. Remember to check the description below for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Happy adventuring!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.